Hey yo-ho, welcome back. On today's video I brought you a very delicious, yummy recipe. Are you in America, South Africa, Canada, all around the world? Are you in spring, winter, summer, autumn? This soup is the best. The best soup for all weather, and the ingredients are everything you have in your kitchen, and I'll be putting everything down in the description below, so come along with me to see how I make mine. Here I'm peeling my butternut. Don't forget to wash or rinse your butternut before peeling or after peeling. I'm doing mine after peeling. I did clean it before peeling, and I'll be rinsing it after peeling it. My carrot has already been peeled, and I'm cutting it into pieces here. I'll be raising it after I'm done cutting it into pieces. I'm cutting my red bell pepper into pieces here. You can cut it into any shape and size you want. I've already washed this, but I'll still be cleaning it again because of the seed. Cut and slice white onions into pieces. I'll be pressing down my garlic with my big knife. I won't be dicing it into pieces because I'm gonna grill it and I don't want it to get burned, so I'll be leaving on the shell until it's done cooking before I take it out. Pouring my butternut in a big bowl. Carrot, onion, red bell pepper, chili habanero. Chili habanero is totally optional. If you don't want it hot, you can completely take it out. I want mine a bit spicy, that's why I'm adding it. Garlic, ginger, salt, origanum, olive oil, mix thoroughly until it's all well combined. Pour in a baking pan, already lined with a sheet. Let it grill for 30 minutes on 150. After 30 minutes, pierce a fork through your butternut or carrot just to check if it's well soft. As you can see, mine is properly done, and I'll be taking out the shell from the garlic. If you do this, it prevents your garlic from burning. It keeps the moist. I'm using no chicken stock, and I'll be dissolving it in a warm water. So I'll be pouring it now into the water to dissolve it. I'll be placing my veggies in a blender to blend it. Pour in the chicken broth. Coconut milk. And blend until a smooth texture is achieved. Pour in a pot and let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Voila! After 10 minutes it is done. Enjoy. I'll be garnishing with cream, spring onions, toast butter bread. This is one of the best and most healthiest soup I've ever made. I love it so much. My family love it. You should try yours. It's good for kids and adults.